In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut a circle in half in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Vector Studio, and then over here on the left-hand side, where you have these shapes, you want to click on the shapes, and then you want to select the Ellipse tool. Now, the first thing you have to do is, of course, create a circle. If you don't know how to create a perfect circle, just hold down your Shift key on your keyboard, drag it out, and it's going to create a circle. Now here, when you have this, what you have to do next is you want to go to right click on your circle, and then you want to click on convert to curves. Then select this node tool over here on the left, and then what you want to do is click on this circle up top, hold down your Shift key, and then click on the bottom one as well. And when you do this, basically it's not going to do anything, but what you have to do is click on the break curve up top, and this is kind of going to create two different parts of your circle. And if I now go over here and I click on the move tool, I can now move these two parts away. And when you're done with that, click on the first one and go to node tool again, and then in here, as you can see, it's going to say close curve. Make sure you click on that and click on that over here in the second part as well to actually get an object. And that's pretty much all you have to do. You now have two cut in half circles. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.